So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today reading we are going to see about for this August month, like August starting to August mid month. Let's see like how your relationship will be goes. So the first reading we are going to check for the fire element like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, so let's start the reading now. So guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel and please do subscribe. Please do subscribe because your each and every support and subscription will definitely motivates me a lot and you'll definitely grow this channel as well. So please give us support. So this reading is especially for the fire element like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. If at all your element is be like an like fire element and your zodiac sign is an Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, you can please check this video. So let's see like what is happening in your love life and as well as in this August starting to mid month how your relationship will be goes. Okay. I get a lot of messages by the way. So what of the deck we get? We have a two of swords. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Next we have the Emperor. It's be like an fire element Aries. Mm. Okay. So when I take your reading, somehow I just feel that you guys are not be okay. You guys are a little bit upset or a little bit disturbed. I think so. Yeah. So the first card we get an Ace of Pentacles. Mm-hmm. And the next card we get King of Swords. And the next card we get Two of Cups. Wow. And the next card we get the Sun. Okay. We get the Major Arcana card Sun. And the next card we get a Four of Pentacles. Okay. Um. So I get one specific messages. I don't know. Like it could be resonant with you. With for all of the people. I don't know. But if at all, any kind of an marriage kind of stuff is happening in your relationship, for example if at all you're talking to their parents about your relationship for any kind of a marital kind of a purpose, I think there may be some kind of a disturbance maybe happen from their family side, especially from your person family side, especially from their father. Okay, so these are the stuffs is maybe try to disturb you somehow, like you maybe feel very you maybe feel very sad or upset because you can't able to see the progress, like their family members are accepting your relationship or not. So what I can see that the cards have been came up like very beautiful by the way. So something will try to be get revealed, or sometimes you will be try to be open up. Maybe right now you are feeling very guard up in your relationship. So what I can see that maybe you are feeling very guard up in your relationship. You want some kind of unstable in your relationship, some kind of a stability, some kind of a good growth, some kind of a lightning. It's like some kind of a bright and light in your life. You want that. You want that, right? So overall, when I look into this August month, for the mid month up to this mid month, something will be get revealed. You will be take some kind of an action. So those actions will definitely bring some kind of an progress here. Okay, it definitely brings some kind of a progress. Whereas you want some kind of a stable kind of a relationship, and I can see that the stability is coming in your way. The stability is coming in your way. So whatever the condition could be, if at all you are dealing with any kind of an like water element like Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, or else you're dealing with any kind of an earth element like in Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or else you may be dealing with the same kind of an because I can see all element here. I can see all element here. Okay, so it's not I can able to say that particularly only I can see the water element or earth element. I can't able to say that. I can see all element like presentable here. Okay, so whoever you are dealing with, I can see some kind of a blossom is coming on your way where you are not saying, you are being worried about your past. You may be worried about your like current situation, but something is getting improved here. Okay, so behind the picture in your relationship is something get improved here, and up to this August mid month, I can see that there is some kind of a positive switch or positive changes coming on your way when it comes to your relationship, particularly in your relationship. If at all you are looking for any kind of a clarity clarity. I hope that you will be get some kind of a clarity in your relationship. Okay, with the Two of Swords and the Four of Pentacles, I can see that there is some kind of an changes is coming in your way. There is some kind of an positive switch is coming on your relationship. Okay, so you guys will definitely be happy on it. It's not like you guys will not be happy. You guys will definitely be happy on that. Okay, things will be get settled down. Right now we are seeing like there is some kind of an like uh, there is some kind of a puzzle game. Okay, but in a future I can see that like overall up to this mid month of August, I can see that something will be get progress, some kind of a positive switch or change will be coming your way. Because again I can see with the King of Swords that you will be more courageous, and you will try to you won't be guard up anymore. You will be more courageous because like something strong, something solid version will be coming on your way. So what are the situation could be, you will play some kind of a vital role here. Okay, you will bring some kind of a solution towards your problem, towards your relationship, so that I can see some kind of a good positive changes is coming on your way. Again, the Sun card is here. So you guys are be like yeah, you guys are be very innocent. You guys doesn't know like what is happening behind the back. Universe is doing some kind of a progress, and you are not seeing that. You are either you maybe blame them like why this situation has been like crappy, why this situation is happening, why the situation has not been favor. It's not like that. You are not seeing the actual picture. Situation is becoming favor for you. Something is being like a progress for you. Some kind of an action you will be definitely take it, because when I see the Sun card, still I just feel some kind of an death card kind of a vibration. Okay, so you guys will be like that. You guys being in the transformation kind of a period, you guys may have some kind of an past traumas or experience in your relationship, or else in your own personal life. But overall I can see that universe is seeing your way. Universe is helping you. Universe is trying to guide you. Your higher self is trying to guide you in a very better way. So that's the reason you will be take the action. That's the reason you will be more courageous. That's the reason you will be find out you will be figure out some kind of a solution in your way. Okay, so there is some kind of a strong improvement is happening on your relationship. So let's see about your guidance as well for from the angel guidance. We can see there. So some angel messages we can see like what kind of a guidance you are getting for your relationship, and as well as you. Let's see like what messages we are getting for your relationship as a guidance. Okay. So the first card we get perspective. Okay, examine the situation from a higher perspective. Yeah. And next card we get a feather. This calling card from the unicorns tell you they are near you. So what I've been saying, your higher self is there. Your higher self is there. You are seeing that something is not be like progress, something is be like an argument, or something is be like a judgmental. No, something is being profit here. Your higher self is seeing. Your higher self is guiding. You are not trying to ask or seek a help from them. You should need to talk with your higher self. You should need to do some kind of a prayer or meditation, so that will definitely bring some kind of a solid foundations in your love life. Okay, so what I can see, some kind of a good growth and changes is coming on your way. If at all you're trying to be connect with your higher self, it will definitely develop you to be more courageous. It will develop you to help this relationship also be like a strong. Okay, so abundance is coming on your way. Overall I can see that growth and success coming on your way in your life. Okay, so if at all you're feeling a little bit lonely, if at all you're feeling a little bit cold, you are not be lonely anymore, my dear. You're not be lonely anymore. So your higher self is there. Your higher self is there. You should need to reach out to them through the meditation, through the manifestation, by doing some kind of a yoga kind of a practice, by doing some kind of a meditation kind of a practice. So you can definitely reach out to them. They are listening you. They are seeing you. They are listening you. They are guiding you. Maybe your ancestors is also seeing you. Okay, so I think there is some kind of a good growth and good possibilities coming on your way in this August up to this August mid month. Okay, so don't worry about it. There is some kind of a beautiful progresses coming on your way. So I'm really happy. Okay, so this is really a very beautiful energy is coming on your way, because you are a little bit sad, but I hope so situation will be definitely get improve, and it will definitely bring some kind of a progress. Okay, so these are the energies I can see for the fire element, like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So guys, if at all you are like my video, if it is resonant with you, please do like, share, and subscribe, and please do comment if at all it resonant with you. Okay, and again, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. I hope you also be a part of this journey. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Please do subscribe. If at all your friends and family members may love the tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them, because you are each and every support is definitely motivates me a lot. It definitely helps me to improve this channel as well. So please help to grow this channel. And as well as if at all you guys who need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out on my WhatsApp or else on my Instagram. So both the details are being given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with it. If at all you need a personal reading, you can reach out to me. Okay. So guys, like, stay tuned. I will definitely post some new topic, like very interesting topic. Okay. So see you guys in the next one. Until that, love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Final. Bye bye. Stay positive. Be positive.